this cloud that won't move, but it keeps screwing up the camera. It's windy as shit, and apparently this cloud doesn't care. So, I don't know if y'all are catching that, but that loud noise is the wind. And, yeah, it doesn't, I guess when the wind doesn't move clouds, the world has changed. I hope you're seeing it and you're understanding what I'm talking about. Because there's like 30-mile-an-hour winds out here. And that moon is sitting right there. Right there. That's me. Just sitting there. You know? Yeah. Screwed up the camera. You know? So, I'm at what, about 2 minutes now? At 30-mile-an-hour winds. And that motherfucker ain't moved. So, just giving you an example of the craziness that people don't pay attention to. This is so much more than people want to accept or believe. But it's happening nonetheless. So, regardless if you believe it or not, this all this craziness is happening in the world. Almost like self-fulfilled. So, alright, well, going on about 3 minutes now in these heavy winds, and really don't got much there. So, trying to see if I can get a little bit better view at it, but it keeps switching the light. Alright, so now over 3 minutes, and so I hope everybody wakes up quick, wake up quick.